Hey, what's up guys, Mario J, and I just got a haircut here, and it's freaking summer! Anyways, yeah, right, so I'm going to show you videos tomorrow, so right now I'm using my phone. It's a charger, you can see here, and I'm going to show you, if you know Big Win Sports, then comment below. And NBA 2K15, but that's intense. So I have to use one finger, one finger. Anyways, that's it guys. Mario J. See you later.